Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stellar XLM, some concerns highlighted. It's going to be an interesting video, guys. I'm sure of it. So make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, guys, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well if you're interested. Now, guys, without further ado, before I begin with the video, I want to just point out one thing that I really respect the opinions of all the community members of Crypto Growth, whether they are skeptics, whether they are bullish on any coin, whether they are bearish. So I really like to bring forth their opinions for you guys to discuss, so that we can learn, so that projects can prosper, so that our favorite projects can learn from mistakes and all of that stuff, guys, to balance stuff out as well. So I've brought some points for you guys to discuss. I would really like you guys to discuss all of these points. These are points from someone who's a bit concerned about some certain points about XLM Stellar. So I'm just going to be highlighting those points in front of you guys, and you guys can then tackle them or discuss them out. I would really like you guys to do that. So, first and foremost, let us just look at the price of XLM at the time of the recording, and then we can move on. So the price of XLM is up 2.36% for the day, guys. It has gone from 0.1136 to 0.1162. Yeah, so the price is 0.1162. Let us look at the 7-day chart, guys. So it has gone all the way from almost 0.1071 to 0.1162, up 2.79% for 7 days as well. But it is down 10.79% for the month. When BTC dipped, guys, a lot of coins dipped along with it, and since that time, it has basically now stopped selling, and the price is going back up and trying to test out these resistance lines over here. Let us look at the yearly chart, guys. Yeah, so nothing much here. Let us look at the all-time. So yeah, guys, this is a crucial support area over here, 0.1064, 0.105. So these are some crucial support areas, guys. I think that it will stay put, and from here on out, it will try and go up towards these levels, 0.1264. If it breaks these levels, 0.1452, then we can see a move towards the upsides, and these are again some crucial levels in the 2-0 area. If it breaks these levels, then we will have another range that XLM will establish into. Anyways, guys, let me show you some points that some of the community members have been concerned with regarding Stellar, XRP, and the road Stellar is taking. So let me show you. So yeah, I'm keeping the community members anonymous, obviously. So you guys can discuss them out. I really found them interesting. You guys can talk about them. So check this out. Stellar Foundation is just using the same talking points as Ripple has used for years. Neither XRP nor XLM should be priced as high as they are. It is all hype. So, what do you guys think about it? As far as I'm concerned, guys, I mean, people are obviously, I've seen the Ripple community. They are a bit frustrated that the price hasn't moved. Even after the SEC news, the price went up and came back down. So now a lot of people are a bit frustrated that why hasn't the price been has basically skyrocketed, that like a lot of people have talked about the flip of the switch moment, and all of that stuff, the great reset. So people are being impatient, and I mean they're frustrated, and we can say rightfully so as well. But still, we still have one or two more bull runs left where institutions are going to be coming and the institutional money is going to be pouring in. If it doesn't perform after one or two bull runs and the price isn't skyrocketing and XRP bridging so much money being used as a bridge currency and all of that stuff, and then we can say that yeah. And so this goes for XLM as well. But to say that XRP nor XLM should be priced as high as they are, I think I mean, this is a bit overfetched because, in my opinion, $3.2 billion market cap for a project that aims to disrupt so much. I mean, I think that this is not much. So I beg to differ over here. But obviously, you guys can hit the comment box below and you guys can tell your opinions as well. I respect all perspectives. I respect opinions. Check this out. There are numerous countries, and now this is basically a bash and basically pointing XRP out. There are numerous countries, entire regions of the world that have regulatory clarity. That is Japan, UAE, Australia, UK, PI, etc. And yet there is no adoption, no at-scale utility of XRP. SBI Bank owns 10% of Ripple and has regulatory clarity in Japan, but cannot make XRP scale. The SEC has set back the Ripple Corporation in America. So the concern is that the SEC has set back the Ripple Corporation in America, but as the XRP price has shown, even after XRP was declared a non-security by the US court, there has been no adoption. So basically, by no adoption, it is also referring to that the lack of price movement as well, and the token that was hyped to have a higher price in anticipation of the court ruling has done nothing since because there is no real world adoption. For this, I might answer that yeah, we are yet to see the full-fledged adoption. It hasn't happened yet, fully. I mean, yeah, and a lot of people are still waiting. It hasn't totally gotten that green signal totally. I mean, yes, the court has ruled, but still, there are other factors as well that is involved. So obviously, no real-world adoption of utilities yet. The financial institutions haven't totally injected their money into these projects. It is obvious Ripple's claim of 400 plus bank partnerships is disinformation, despicable corporate propaganda. So you guys can also give your opinions on this statement over here, that whether the claim of 400 plus bank partnerships is disinformation just to manipulate the retail and just a corporate propaganda to basically uh, disseminate the information that Ripple is a big deal while it is not. So do hit the comment box below and let the community know what you think about this. And the statement says that XLM is foundation is going down the same road as XRP, meaning that it is all hype. They're just basically trying to use the name of UNHCR and other corporations, financial institutions to just make a brand and only give false promises like the statements of XRP here tell us basically that yeah, XLM is also going down the same road. What do you guys think about that? And this is a huge statement over here. Jed McCaleb is selling on retail. So according to a community member, that Jed McCaleb is selling on selling his bags on the retails and all of that stuff. That this is not good and. When asked for, I mean, I think that these statements require a bit of a proof as well that which wallet and how they're selling. I mean, you guys can try and tackle this out as well. I have an opinion that even if a founder has a initial bag, and if he sells it, I mean, yeah, a lot of people might disagree, but if a person, the CEO or founder, has a bag and he initially sells it, And further down the line, if the project is good, if it has longevity to it, then I think that over the course of years, I think that those bags are going to be totally diminished, and the price can have a really upward rally, upward appreciation. So, what do you guys think about this? That is Jet McCallum selling on retail and selling his bags and all of that stuff? Do you buy this or not? The transaction on Stellar Network has decreased so much, it is barely being used. I doubt this garbage will do anything. This is another huge statement, and a many would call this a huge FUD, but others might say that after the adoption, it's going to be used much more, obviously, much more at a grander scale. So XLM will go the same path where XRP has gone, and isn't good. Why is that so? Basically, check this out. These are some concerns. Why is Ripple selling escrow for day-to-day expenses? That is what venture capitalists are supposed to provide. Ripple is woke, always at Davos, anti-citizen CBDCs. You know that there is a skepticism towards CBDCs, that they would be used as surveillance mechanism and all of that stuff. Tokenization of carbon credits, off-chain partnerships. XRP is so illiquid. Do you really believe that is it illiquid? It cannot be listed on Ripple's very own liquidity hub. Only 127 developers building on XRPL. You cannot compete with Ethereum or Solana with just 127 developers. You guys can also comment on this, that are can it compete with Ethereum and Solana with 127 developers? David Schwartz threatened to replace validators who don't support the AMM. Thus, XRPL is still centralized. So another point that XRP is L is centralized. It is not decentralized like many people say and claim. Ripple's present management team has had a decade, paid very high salaries, and given millions of XRP. Time for new leadership. So, what do you guys think about this? Is XLM going down the same path as Ripple? And do you believe that, yeah, Ripple also, do you agree with all these statements? And I would really like you guys to discuss this out, because I really find them interesting to discuss and debate. I really like them, guys. To be very honest, I like to basically put forward the voice of the community members. And yeah, I do not like unnecessary FUD that isn't backed by rational arguments. But I found some rational arguments, at least, that can be tackled or communicated by the community members of both Ripple and XLM. So I would really like you guys to discuss this out. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems, then make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. You can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.